I wanted the world to see that India did not lack faith in herself, and that India was prepared to cooperate even with those with whom she had been fighting in the past, provided the basis of cooperation today was honorable, that it was a free basis, a basis which would lead to the good not only of ourselves, but of the world also, full stop. That is to say, we would not deny the cooperations simply because in the past we had fought, and thus carry on the trial, or our past we had fought, and thus carry on the trial, or our past karma along with us, full stop. We had to wash out the past with all its evil, full stop. I wanted, if I may say so in all humility, to help in letting the world look at things in a slightly different perspective, or rather try to see how vital questions could be approached and dealt with, full stop. We have seen too often in the arguments that go on in the assemblies of the world this bitter approach, this cursing of each other, this desire not in the least to understand the other but deliberately to misunderstand the other, and to make clever points, full stop, paragraph change. It may be a satisfying performance for some of us on occasions to make clever points and be applauded by our people or by some other people, full stop. But in the state of the world today, it is a poor thing for any reasonable person to do, when we live on the verge of catastrophic wars, when national passions are roused, and when even a casually spoken word might make all the difference, full stop. Some people have thought that by our joining or continuing to remain in the Commonwealth of Nations, we are drifting away from our neighbor in Asia, or that it has become more difficult for us to cooperate with other great countries in the world, full stop. But I think it is easier for us to develop closer relations with other countries while we are in the Commonwealth than it might have been otherwise, full stop. This is rather a peculiar thing to say, full stop. I have given a great deal of thought to this matter, full stop. The Commonwealth does not come in the way of our cooperation and friendship with other countries, full stop. Ultimately, we shall have to decide, and ultimately the decision will depend on our own strength, full stop. If we dissociate ourselves completely from the Commonwealth, then for the moment, we are completely isolated, full stop. Close.